In this video, we will talk about how to install the 9005 LED headlight. There are three types of housing, despite the different looks. They all share a same installation method. 9005 have L-shaped version and wire version, and are typically used for high beam headlights. In certain hosing modules, they can also serve as daytime running lights. 9005 and 9006 have very similar locking ring, but they are different types of LED lights and are not interchangeable. First, take off the halogen bulb. On the L-shaped version LED, you will find a smaller tap on the locking ring. Face it up and push the light into the housing. If you feel resistance, you may need to apply additional force to ensure proper insertion. After it's secured, the light might be a little tilted. Turn it back to make sure the lead plate facing 9 o'clock. Next, the wire version. The wire version has an adjustable locking ring for convenience. Face the smaller tap up to install. Make sure the light is facing 9 o'clock. Due to the design of either the rubber band on the light or the housing itself, you may encounter various issues. The LED light may be either too tight to install or too loose to secure. Not enough space to install. Daytime running lights malfunction. If you run into any of these problems, please contact us for a proper solution.